morning for this beautiful Monday, July 21st. Hope everyone had a fantastic weekend. The one market I want to really talk about today is CNX, Consol Energy. All right. Now, if you take a look at this chart, this stock's been up for quite a while. Okay. Market hit the high, hit the top right in here, a little over $48 a share. Okay. As you can see, the market's been really selling off lately. And just to let you know, we do have earnings this week on the 28th. There's earnings. No, not the 28th, 24th rather. This Thursday, July 24th, we've got earnings. But let me just show you an area where I believe is a great buying opportunity. Now, you may want to enter before earnings. You may want to wait until right after earnings. But let me just show you something. Here, okay, let me just back up this chart a little bit. Okay, you can see the two white horizontal lines that I have drawn out here, right? The lower one right in here, that's connecting these highs together. Okay, so this is the old breakout area right in here. You see this? Right, we had the high in place here. We came down off that high. Market's supported beautifully here at the gray action zone 200, bounced up again, retesting this original high, failing at that level, coming down again before finally bouncing up. Okay, so this is I believe this is a significant level. The lower end, the lower white horizontal line is the bottom end of my support. Okay, now the upper end of my support would be, okay, let's see, the white horizontal line, the upper one right in here, okay, because it took a while for the market to break up through this new high right in here, okay. So we had resistance in here. The market could not take out that high. We failed here, we failed here, we failed here. We consolidated, and as you can see in here, we've got a lot of price activity here before bouncing back up. So if you look at this chart closely and you put those white horizontal lines on your chart, okay, this area should act as really good support, and we're finally down to that level, okay. And if we take it a step further, okay, and do a few things here, let's measure two sets of Fibonacci retracements. We'll take it from the low last July low right down here, the last year's run. We'll measure the Fibonacci retracements. Look at that, okay. So we're going to measure from this low up to this high. Got the 38.2% retracement sitting right there of the bigger move, okay? And then let's take one more set of retracements. We'll take it from here up to the high here. And if you take a look at that closely, you've got the 50% retracement, right? Again, we take it from this low to this high. Got the 50% retracement right in here. So you've got those fib levels in conjunction with what we like to call a key trade zone. So right in here where I'm coloring, that is a key trade zone right in here. And Craig Hill and I taught this in the opening bell income strategy. Okay, so even though we taught it for the first 90 minutes of trading in the E-mini S&P 500 or any futures, this can also be applied to any market in any time frame, which is very important to understand. Okay, so once you can pinpoint these zones, you can trade stocks, ETFs, or any market of your choice. Okay, so the key trade zone in CNX, the upper end of that zone is roughly $41, and the lower end of that key trade zone is $39.26. Okay, so knowing that this is a key trade zone, you could go long anywhere in this area with an initial, with your catastrophic stop loss, at least 75 cents to 1 full point below the lower end of the key trade zone of 39.25 roughly. So anywhere down in here, okay, that's where you want to be. All right, hope that helps. Doc and I both want to thank you for those of you that participated in the calendar spread on Saturday. It was a fantastic webinar. We had great attendance, getting phenomenal feedback. So thank you to all of you. And then So hope you enjoyed this video. And next up is the premium video for those of you that are subscribed to the premium video. We've got a couple really good trade setups setting up for today, okay? Have a profitable day, and I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye for now.